Friends, today we can study our next topic in grammar, namely nouns and their genders. In English, there are four genders: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Nouns denoting men and male animals are said to belong to the masculine gender. Examples: boy, king, dog, tiger, lion, etc. The pronouns he and him and the possessive his are used to refer to persons, and the pronoun it and the possessive its are used if they refer to animals. If they are plural in number, we can use the pronouns they, them, and the possessive their. Okay, now the nouns denoting women and female animals are said to belong to the feminine gender. Examples: girl, queen, bitch, tigress, lioness, etc. The pronoun she and the possessive her are used to refer to them if they are singular. If they are plural, we can use the words like they, them, and they. If they refer to animals, we can use the pronouns it if it is singular, and the pronoun they and the possessive their if it refers to if it is plural. Next one, common gender. Nouns which denote either the male or the female are said to belong to the common gender. For example, teacher, doctor, student, child, and so on. The pronouns used are masculine or feminine depending on the actual person referred to. Next one, neuter gender. Nouns which denote inanimate objects are said to be in the neuter gender. The words like table, chair, desk, bench, book, etc. are in neuter gender. A masculine noun can be changed to feminine by different methods. Number one, by using a new word. For example, boy, girl, bachelor, spinster, spinster, then bridegroom, bride, bull, cow, bullock, heifer, heifer, cock, hen, deer, hind, 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 drake, 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 duck, he got, she got, bull elephant, cow elephant, horse, mare, lord, lady, lad, lass, 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 then peacock, peahen. There are many such words which belong to the feminine gender. Now again, sometimes we make the feminine gender by adding ESS. For example, author, authoress, actor, actress, patron, patroness, god, goddess, count, countess, prince, princess, traitor, traitress, prophet, prophetess, and so on. Now there are many more words like this, but we cannot list them all here. Now let me go to the second part, that is the phonetic symbols. We have already studied 10 symbols representing the monophthongs. Which are they? E, I, A, O, U, A. Next one, we don't have the same sound in our mother tongue. The symbol used is like this. Just write number 3. After that you put 2 dots to indicate that it is a long vowel. You look at the board and understand how it has been written. Now the old form was a little different. Just write the inverted E, put 2 dots, then you get the symbol But in modern dictionaries and books you find the first one, the latest one. Now think of words in which a sound occurs in the initial position. EARLY, early. EARN, earn. URN, earn, earnest, etc. Now it occurs in the middle position also. BIRD, bird. HEARD, herd. SHIRT, shirt. WORK, work, and so on. Now in the final position, HER, her. THERE, the. STIR, stir, and so on. So this sound also occurs in the 3 positions: initial, medial, and final. The next symbol is, or the next sound is a. The short form of that is a. The symbol is the inverted E. Just write the letter E in the inverted manner. Then put it between oblique lines. Then you get the symbol a. About, again, across, etc. are examples for words occurring in the initial position. Now in the middle position, 7, 11, and so on. Now in the final position, doctor, teacher, father, mother, brother. There are so many words that you know. So this sound also occurs in all the 3 positions. Now we have completed the study of the monophthongs. Altogether there are 12 monophthongs. Now why are they called monophthongs? Because in them there will be only one sound element. They are also called pure vowels because the quality of the sound won't be changed if we prolong it. For example, E. Again, if you prolong it, nothing happens to the quality of the sound. That is why we call them pure vowels. Now, before I conclude, let me answer the question that I asked you in our last class. Just say a sentence in which the word because occurs 3 times. Very simple. You can say a sentence like this. We cannot begin a sentence with because is a conjunction. We cannot begin a sentence with because is a conjunction. Friends, one point I forgot to mention regarding the distinction between masculine and feminine genders. Formerly, only men joined the police force and we had the word policeman or policeman. But later, ladies also started joining the police force and we got the word policewoman. But now, people don't want to make such a distinction, so they say police person. There are a few words like that. Postman, postwoman, and now postperson. Similarly, chairman. Then came the word chairwoman. And now people prefer the expression chairperson. Okay. Thank you.